What's going on, everybody? So let me show you what's going on with this truck. So if you can see here, the fan is all the way on its lowest setting. I'm going to turn it up and listen to how the fan changes in the car. It does not. It is stuck on one setting. It doesn't matter if I put it up or down. It is stuck on one setting. Okay? The fan is blowing, and it is blowing cold, but I have no control over it here. But let me show you the really crazy part. All right, I guess you could call it the really crazy part. I've never had a vehicle do this before, and I don't know if this is common with these vehicles or not, but check this out. I am going to turn the car off, and if you can hear that, it is still blowing. That fan is still blowing. So that's you know, as far as failures go, as far as like parts or components failing, the last thing you'd really expect is that when a component fails, it's going to kill your battery. You know, if someone wasn't paying attention and they just turned off the car and got out, and they didn't realize this, say when they went into work, by the time they come out in the afternoon or at lunchtime, the battery could be dead. I mean, this is just, you know, I'm kind of dumbfounded here. I don't know what to say. Anyways, I digress. The part that I believe is the problem is the blower motor control module, aka a resistor, and this is the part here. All right, that is the problem. At least I believe. We're gonna find out. I am about 99% sure, assuming that I ordered the correct part, this is gonna be the fix for this situation. So I'm gonna climb down here. First I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and then I'm gonna climb down here, and I'm gonna walk you through replacing this, and we're gonna find out together if I am right and that fixes the issue. Okay, so the resistor is underneath this plastic panel under the passenger side of the vehicle. It's held in by two screws, both 9/32. One is right up under here, fairly easy to get to. The other one is way up under here, not so easy to get to. So if you just take this one out that's under here, you can then bring the entire plastic piece down. If we look right here, this is our resistor right here. This is what I believe the fault is. All right, so what we're gonna wanna do is take this out. This one is not 9/32. I believe it is the next size down, 7/32. Okay, so I was correct. It is a 7/32. What I was incorrect about was that it was the next size down. I forgot you have 1/4 inch in between. So in order to take this off, we've got one screw in the front and then another one in the back. See with my hands here, and oh, wrong direction. And basically we're just gonna unscrew this bad boy, and it should drop right out. Oh, this is hard to do one-handed. I keep losing the screw. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna set the phone down for a sec. All right, so there we go. We dropped it out. It's got two connectors that run to it, and it does appear to be the same as the new one, which is good. It means I ordered the correct part. So we have two clips. We have two clips, one here and one here. So we need to take both of these clips out, and we're gonna need to plug them into the new one. So I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Oh, I got that. I got the first one. Okay. Getting better at this one-handed stuff while I film. And then let's see if we can get that one to come out. All right, I might need to use both hands. All right, so we got the old one out, and all we're gonna do is plug in the new one, which I will try to do. There we go. That one's in. And then, there we go. That one's in. Now that we've got that plugged in, I'm just going to put this back up into the spot where it came out of. I'm gonna need both my hands to be able to screw this in. I'll come back after we got it in and we'll give it a shot. See if it's fixed the issue. So we got her screwed back in. I'm gonna wait to put this panel back up. I'm gonna reconnect the battery. We're gonna see if the blower motor still runs constantly and whether or not it shuts off when we turn the car off. So here we go. All right, that's on there. Blower is not currently on. Let's make sure I didn't break something else in the process. And that is now on. This is gonna go up to 74, so I'm gonna put it back to 60. And let's try. Sorry about the buzzing. And there we go. Full blast. Less. It's the seatbelt. I hate seatbelt tones. Anyways, as you can see, I turn it up. Hopefully you can hear. It gets louder. Turn it down. Turn it up again. It is responding the way it should. It is blowing cold. And last but not least, let's turn it off and make sure that it goes away. And there you go. So, it appears that we're fixed. If you have any issues with your blower staying on when you turn the car off, or getting stuck on a single speed and not so that you can't adjust how hard it's blowing, most likely I would say this is going to be your problem. You're going to need a new blower motor control module, aka resistor, blower motor resistor. I think if you search both, it will come up on that. The local auto parts stores, these aren't super cheap, but on Amazon they are much more affordable. So I would start there. And if you need to know what the part number is, if you have an Escalade, this is an 08 Escalade, so if you have an Escalade, this is going to be your part number. All right, thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this, like and subscribe.